In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online. If your bank feed has disconnected, don't worry. Reconnecting it is usually a quick process, and once it's done, QuickBooks can resume pulling in your latest transactions automatically. This helps keep your books current and saves time on manual entry. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account and look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Accounting. This area is where you manage key financial information, including the accounts connected to your bookkeeping system. Once you're in the accounting section, select Bank Transactions. This will take you to the page where your connected bank and credit card accounts are managed. If a connection has been interrupted, this is the main place you'll use to restore it. At the top right of the screen, click Link Account. This option lets you connect a new bank account or reconnect an existing one if the feed has stopped working. If you're reconnecting an account you've used before, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct bank and account during this process so you don't accidentally create a duplicate connection. Next, search for your bank in the search field and select it from the list. QuickBooks works with many financial institutions, so in most cases your bank should appear right away. If there are multiple options with similar names, choose the one that matches your bank's official online banking portal. After selecting your bank, enter your sign-in details and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Depending on your bank, you may be asked to verify your identity with an extra security step, such as a code or approval through your banking app. That's completely normal and is part of the secure connection process. As you move through the prompts, pay attention to which account in QuickBooks you're linking the bank feed to. This is important because the correct mapping ensures your transactions flow into the right account register. If prompted to choose a date range for transactions, review it carefully so you only import what you need and avoid duplicates. Once the connection is successful, QuickBooks should begin syncing your transactions again. You can then review the imported activity in the Bank Transactions tab and continue categorizing or matching items as needed. And that's it. That's how to reconnect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online.